Every now and then, we gotta satisfy that sweet tooth, and nothing does it quite like a chocolate brownie. The only thing better is when that brownie is flourless and made from an amazing superfood, black beans. Today I'm gonna show y'all a quick, easy, and delicious way to make some black bean brownies with a little Fitman Cook twist. To a high-powered blender, add black beans, cacao, eggs, stevia in the raw. Quick note here, I opted to use stevia in the raw instead of raw honey or sugar in order to reduce the overall sugar in the recipe. I wanted the majority of the sugar to come from the dark chocolate chunks because there's nothing like biting into a brownie and getting a piece of chocolate. But this is your recipe, so make it your own. You can use raw honey or sugar, just know that it will change the macronutrients. Baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, cayenne for a subtle spicy kick, vanilla extract, almond milk, and coconut oil. Let's blend this together until it's nice and smooth. Pour the batter into a bowl, and then add dark chocolate chunks and chopped walnuts, and mix it together using a spatula. Then line a baking dish with parchment paper and pour in the batter. Spread it out using a spatula, then top it off with the remaining dark chocolate chunks and chopped walnuts. We're gonna bake this in the oven for about 25 minutes at 350 or until you can pierce it with a toothpick and it comes out clean. Even though it's tempting, be sure to allow them to cool to at least room temperature before slicing them up. And once they've cooled, well, you know what to do. For the full recipe, check out fitmancook.com and download the Fitman Cook app for more easy, healthy, practical meals.